Hi, my name is Suni Samrotul Fuadina. I live at Tasikmalaya, West Java. I am a student at the Indonesian Education University Tasikmalaya, still in the same city. I took the elementary school teacher education study program. This is my first year studying at this beloved campus, and in this semester, I am undergoing lectures in semester 2. Okay, I will tell you a little about my college journey. In this semester, I meet an English course and the lectures was Mr. Erwin Rahayu. In this course, I learned about the English curriculum in elementary school, classroom language expression, English skills and component, English text in elementary school, and finally, digital storytelling. Yes, that's more or less what I've learned. By far, the most challenging thing is to make some assignment in the form of videos, and they must be made as interesting as possible, and don't forget to present them too. Until I can do it, this is what makes me proud of my ability. During my studies, I gained a lot of new knowledge. The problem is that I have not been able to apply all of it to my daily life, but I will keep trying and never give up. Therefore, I always like to try different things, and now I'm deepening and honing my public speaking by reading and practicing from trusted sources. Talking about lectures, I think what the lecturer gives us is really important for those of us who want to deepen our English lesson. It trains us to be able to understand the material that is suitable for elementary school students. We are students are also given the opportunity to discuss in the space provided. Do you know, I really want to get good grades in this course. So, who doesn't want to get good grades? I don't think so. And I'm sure I'll get that good grade. Why? Because saying so far, I feel I'm following the lesson seriously. I want to give my best in my education, whatever that is. I won't tell you much. More or less, that's my current college journey, and I hope it will be better in the future. Thank you. Bye.